Miss Aarti Vajpayee ma'am and Miss Preena Batra ma'am to proceed with the felicitation ceremony.
Their presence here shall carve a niche in the hearts of all. I would like to take a moment to recognize and honor our special guests. We are truly fortunate to have amongst us Most Reverend Dr. Louis McManus, Sri Satish Manoji and Reverend Sister Pushpa Jacob, who have made an commendable contribution in their respective fields, be it education, social service, political acumen, or in theological aspects. They are truly a sense of inspiration for the young generation. I feel it apt to quote the words of Ralph Waldo Emerson: cultivate the habit of being grateful, for every good thing comes to you, and to give thanks continuously. And because all things have contributed to our advancement, we should include all things in gratitude. With this righteous thought in mind, we proceed on to call Most Reverend Dr. Louis McManus, Bishop of Allahabad Diocese. I would request Srikant Sir to honor Bishop with a shawl as a mark of respect and gratitude.
Oh, wait. Oh. Wait.
Thank you, sir. I would call upon our...
Wait.
Thank you, sister. Call upon Mrs. Manju Basu to present a shawl to sister.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wait.
The remarkable journey of our 5 dearest teachers, Meera Tiwari ma'am, Srikant Yadav sir, Seema Tiwari ma'am, Anand Prakash Srivastav sir, Shampa Tandon, whose passion for maths has installed Allah for everyone you have taught. Exemplary, your nicks and knacks and unique component of your personality, Allah for learning, have truly made. Request the audience to please give a big round of applause to our dear teachers. For graciously presenting mementos, not only recognizes their dedication, but also it's time to celebrate the moment, loud and clear. Happy smiles and joy in the air. Together.
beautiful to cuddle a baby in its embrace as a mother.
hand to somebody in need.
To offer a sound piece
Here's
of
presenting to you our next program,
future for
मैं हूँ कोविड, द न्यू रूलर ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। अब देखो
क्या करो बेटा, हमेशा गेम में लगे रहते हो। जब देखो कान में हेडफोन लगा के बैठे रहते हो।
अब क्या ये साहबजादे हमारी बात सुनेंगे? बहुत बड़े हो गए हैं। आँख तो खराब कर ही चुका है, अब कान भी खराब कर देगा।
ये हमारा पोता कितना इंटेलिजेंट था, जाने किसकी नजर लग गई है इसको। ये पहले टॉप करता था और अब टॉप की स्पेलिंग भी भूल गया है।
That was all online. Everybody did well in online exams. Now see his performance. It is degrading day by day.
हेलो अकाउंटेंट साहब, आप यहाँ?
हेलो सर, हैव यू मेड सम ट्रांजैक्शन टुडे? ये कुछ गेमिंग के परचेजेस हुए हैं।
ट्रांजैक्शंस? नहीं, मैंने तो नहीं किए। कितने के ट्रांजैक्शंस?
2.5 लाख के हुए हैं सर।
क्या 2.5 लाख?
Neelam, did you do some gaming purchases from my credit card?
Yes, Papa. I have purchased games worth only 2,500 rupees.
निलय, वो 2,500 नहीं, 2.5 लाख। Do you even realize what you have done?
Papa, please trust me. Please, Papa, believe me. मुझे छोड़ दीजिए. I have not spent 2.5 lakhs.
Oh, don't! Please don't hit him, Papa. It must be a scam.
No, it is his fault.
No, Papa, no. No, Papa.
My brother was my hero, and today these video games have isolated him into his own world and made him an introvert.
नहीं हूँ मैं इंट्रोवर्ट। मेरी बात कोई क्यों नहीं समझता है? हर बार मुझे ही क्यों हर कोई गलत बोलता है? कोई तो मुझ पर विश्वास करो।
My brother and I craved for attention, but all were busy. And my brother took refuge to video games.
Let me consult a counselor.
Ma'am, can you explain what actually Nilay does?
He shouts in the middle of the night.
He doesn't talk to anyone, not even me. He doesn't share anything anymore.
He doesn't eat food. He keeps sitting alone, doesn't pay attention to anyone.
I see this is a grave situation. It is the case of severe depression. We have to get him admitted to the rehabilitation center immediately.
बाबा और दादी नीले को लेकर परेशान है। तभी बाबा का फोन बजता है।
Hello, is this number 7936 444 000?
Yes.
Am I speaking to Mr. A.K. Gupta?
Yes, speaking.
So, Mr. Gupta, you are informed that your daughter Medha has been arrested by the airport authority. She was carrying drugs in her baggage.
What? That's impossible. Medha can't do any such thing. Give her the phone. I want to speak to her. I want to see her.
अरे गुप्ता जी, ये नहीं हो सकता। आप समझ रहे हैं ये कितना सीरियस क्राइम है। हम उसको जेल में डालने जा रहे हैं। अब आपसे सीधे कोर्ट में मुलाकात होगी।
नहीं, सुनिए, एटलीस्ट एक बार मुझे उससे बात तो करने दीजिए। मैं कैसे मानूं कि आप सच बोल रहे हैं?
ठीक है, आप वीडियो कॉल एक्सेप्ट करिए।
मुझे अपनी बेटी से बात करनी है। प्लीज मुझे उससे बात करा दीजिए।
फ्री में वीडियो कॉल में मुझसे बात करनी उतना काफी नहीं है।
लिसन टू मी सर, प्लीज कुछ भी पैसा ले लीजिए, मेरी बेटी को छोड़ दीजिए, मेरी बात तो कराइए उससे।
अरे सर, देखिए कितने बुजुर्ग हैं, लड़की भी पढ़ने वाली है, फाइन लेकर ही छोड़ देते हैं। ठीक है, तुम इतना कहते ही हो तो चलो।
सर प्लीज सर, हम लोग वैसे भी बहुत परेशान हैं।
हाँ हाँ चलो ठीक है, मैं पहले लिंक भेज रहा हूँ, उस पर पहले पेनल्टी पे करें।
ओके 15K डन। अरे ये क्या हो गया?
What happened? Please tell me. Why are you sweating?
We have been scammed. We have been robbed. My entire life saving is gone.
Hello, welcome to the Rehab Center. I am your robot therapist.
मुझे बस मेरा लैपटॉप दे दो, मुझे नहीं सुननी है तुम्हारी कोई भी बात।
ये रिहैब सेंटर है, तुम्हें कुछ दिन यही रहना पड़ेगा।
Hello world, I am Robot. Speed 1 terahertz. Memory 1 zettabyte. Let's go.
Roboda, Roboda, zoom, zoom, Roboda, 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 boom, boom, Roboda, 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 zoom, zoom, Roboda, Roboda,
अरे वाह, गिटार। तुम्हें पता है रोबो, आई कैन ऑल्सो प्ले हैरी पॉटर थीम ऑन माई गिटार। क्या तुम उसे सुनना चाहोगे?
हाँ जरूर। क्या तुम्हें हैरी पॉटर पसंद है नीले?
पसंद है, मेरे बचपन का सपना है हैरी से मिलना।
Hi, I am Harry Potter. I hope you know me.
Yes, I surely do.
I have just returned from Hogwarts. Are you interested to go there with me?
Surely, I would love to.
But for this, you'll have to give up your computer games.
Okay, done.
Evan, let's go. I have a gift for you.
Thank you, Harry. That's good.
अब तुम ठीक हो गए हो. You can go back home.
Now I have realized where the things went wrong. अब मुझे अपनी गलती का एहसास हो गया है और अब मैं सुधर गया हूँ.
चलो बेटा, घर चलते हैं. घर पर तुम्हारा सब इंतजार कर रहे हैं.
पत्तों की गोद में आसमां से कूदे, अंगड़ाई ले फिर करवट बदल कर, नाजुक से मोती हंस दे फिसल कर, खो न जाए ये तारे ज़मीं पर.
Lost in the digital noise. But then, something amazing happened. I stepped outside. I started to really see the world around me. I remember the first day without the screen. It felt as if I was forgetting something important. But as I walked outdoors, I felt this weird sense of freedom. The sun was shining and the birds were singing. It was like the nature was calling me back. I felt happier, lighter. My mind wasn't cluttered with notifications and updates. I found joy in real conversations.
अरे गुजरे जमाने की बातें कितनी अलग थी. हमारे बीच के रिश्ते सच्चे थे, दिल से जुड़े थे. हम अपने पड़ोसियों के साथ समय बिताते थे, उनकी बातें सुनते थे, उनकी मदद करते थे.
माँ, लेकिन आज हम अपने फोन में खो गए हैं. हमारे रिश्ते वर्चुअल हो गए हैं। हम अपने दोस्तों को ऑनलाइन देखते हैं लेकिन उनके साथ समय नहीं बिताते। हमें यह नहीं भूलना चाहिए कि जीवन की सच्ची खुशी रिश्तों में ही है।
तो आइए अपने जीवन को सरल बनाएं, अपने फोन को कम उपयोग करें, अपने परिवार और दोस्तों के साथ समय बिताएं, उनकी बातें सुनें और उनकी मदद करें। हर तरफ शांति ही शांति हो।
and laborious life, St. Joseph showed that family and relationships are inspiration from St. Joseph's exemplary life and values as we make a positive impact in our family, school, society and the world at large. Thank you and may God bless all.
जो जलते हैं वही तो रोशनी लाते हैं। What an
लाइट फुल जला दो यार। चला हो गया दिवाली होली।
It is my privilege to express our heartfelt gratitude to those who made this event a grand success. First and foremost, we thank God Almighty for His countless blessings and for guiding us to accomplish today's celebration meaningfully. As the psalmist reminds us, the Lord has done great things for us and we are filled with joy. We extend our deepest gratitude to the Most Reverend Dr. Luis Mascarenhas, Bishop of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Allahabad and Director General of the Allahabad Education Society. Despite your many responsibilities, your gracious presence has truly blessed this occasion. As John C. Maxwell beautifully says, a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Thank you for your prayers, guidance, and unwavering support. On behalf of the management and staff of St. Joseph Senior Secondary School, we offer our heartfelt thanks. We offer our heartfelt thanks to our Chief Guest, Mr. Satish Mahana, Honorable Speaker of the Legislative Assembly, for accepting our invitation and for being here with us today. As we celebrate the Diamond Jubilee of our prestigious institution, the presence of an alumnus from the first batch of the institution is highly commendable. Your inclination to maintain strong connections, leveraging your expertise for mentoring, encouraging, and building a vibrant alumni community that supports both students and institutions. We are deeply honored to have Sister Pushpa Jacob, Provincial Superior of Vimla Province, Lucknow, as our guest of honor. Sister, your guidance, wisdom, and selfless service have been a source of inspiration to all. Thank you for accepting our invitation and gracing this occasion with your presence. We would also like to take this opportunity to thank our Reverend Fathers and Sisters, whose gracious presence has added spiritual depth and warmth to this celebration. Your invaluable support and prayers make every milestone in the institution's journey a blessing. We honor the remarkable contributions of our alumni, whose dedication continues to shape our institution's legacy. A heartfelt thank you to Mr. Desh Deepak Dugal, President of Alumni Association, and Mrs. Meenu Gosai, Principal of Harmelap Mission School, for their efforts in collecting photographs and preserving the memories of the 1965 batch, making this event truly special. We sincerely thank the principals of esteemed schools for gracing this occasion. Your presence, support, and guidance have greatly enriched our celebration.
We take immense pride in being led by our principal, Sister Dr. Sonia Verghese, whose leadership exemplifies dedication, industriousness, and a vision for excellence. Sister, your tireless efforts and unwavering guidance have not only enriched the institution, but also inspired us to aim higher. Hosting today's event under your mentorship has been a privilege, and we sincerely thank you for being a source of guidance and wisdom at every step of this journey. Sister Elena, the manager, and the office administrator, Sister Lisa, and Sister Rashmi, we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for your unwavering support and guidance throughout the planning and execution of our school's annual function. We would also like to thank the management for providing us with the necessary resources to showcase our talents and skills. Here, we acknowledge the prayerful support of our tireless sisters at St. Joseph's Convent. As per the words of Henry Brooks Adams, a teacher affects eternity. He can never tell where his influence stops. Our teachers have always been the cornerstone of this institution. Their dedication to both academic excellence and personal development is unmatched. From guiding students with care to ensuring the smooth execution of today's event, their contributions are truly commendable. We thank them from the bottom of our heart for being the backbone of this gala celebration. A special thanks to our students both on and off the stage for their performance and commitment, whether showcasing their talents or assisting behind the scenes. They have demonstrated responsibility, teamwork, and excellence. We are truly proud of their efforts in making today's event a grand success. Behind every young child who believes himself is a parent who believes first. We thus acknowledge the presence of parents of our esteemed institution amidst us. Your presence was a motivation for our students. I thank the press for their presence and efforts in capturing and sharing the essence of this event with the wider audience. Your dedication ensures our message reaches far and wide. A special mention goes to our light and sound team, whose meticulous efforts provided the perfect audiovisual experience, enhancing the quality and impact of our program. We also appreciate the stage team, particularly the incredible efforts of Mr. Gopal. Your hard work and creativity brought the event to life. Your flawless execution ensured everything ran seamlessly. We deeply appreciate the contributions of our office staff, whose planning, coordination, and behind-the-scene work ensured every detail was handled with precision. We extend our deepest gratitude to our dedicated support staff. Your unwavering commitment, tireless effort, and exceptional work are the cornerstone of our success. We truly appreciate everything you do, and we are grateful for your invaluable contribution. To our security personnel, your vigilance and professionalism provided a safe and secure environment for everyone, enabling us to focus fully on the program. In conclusion, today's program serves as a remarkable example of the power of teamwork, dedication, and excellence. Each of you played a vital role in making this event a remarkable one. Whether it was through creative planning, tireless execution, or active participation. Let us carry the spirit forward, striving for greater heights together. Once again, thank you all for your contributions, commitment, and enthusiasm. Together, we create not just memorable events, but a legacy of collaboration and achievement. Let us continue to inspire and uplift one another in all we do. Thank you.
Goodbye to all. हर प्रस्तुति ने हमें कुछ सिखाया और एहसास कराया कि हमारे अंदर कितनी संभावनाएं एवं क्षमताएं हैं.
Let us thus leave the portals of this institution by adapting the thoughts of learning within us, as learning allows us to make sense of the world around us, the world inside of us, and where we fit within the world.
हमें आशा और विश्वास है कि आगे नई उत्साह और नई ऊर्जा के साथ हम सब एक साथ होंगे.
आज का ये समापन नहीं, एक नई शुरुआत है. सपनों की उड़ान में नव उमंगों की बात है.
इस वार्षिक उत्सव से जो जुड़ी सीख हर बार
ले चलेंगे उसे जीवन की हर राह, हर दुआएं.
धन्यवाद इस सुंदर आयोजन का जो हमें जोड़े साथ.
अगले वर्ष फिर मिलेंगे नई उम्मीद और उत्साह के साथ. Now, I request everybody to stand up for the national anthem.
Yes, please, sir. सामने. Thank you.